how to use Votebuilder to look up a voter's information. In order to use Votebuilder, you're going to have to establish an action ID. We'll send you a link and you have 48 hours to set that up. This is going to allow you to access our database, which is votebuilder.com. When you look at the database, this is the home page. You need to make sure you're under the My Voters tab. The My Campaign tab won't work. So once you're under the My Voters tab, you're going to select Quick Lookup, which is right in the middle of the page. I'm going to use my name so you can look at my information so you have an example. So my last name is Blair, my first name is Paula, and I'm going to select Lee County from the drop-down menu. And then I'm going to click Search. Now I'm the only Paula Blair in Lee County, so I don't have anybody else to look at. If there's a whole list of people, have the voter look at it and help you figure out who they are by their phone number, their email, or their address. They can help you do that. But there's only one, Paula Blair, so I'm going to click on that. It's the blue link. And you'll see all these fields. This is just the top part of it. It goes down quite a ways. And it's alphabetical, which isn't very useful. So you can use those three very light gray bars to drag the fields around. And this is the best way to arrange them. I would put polling location at the top, emails, phones, and then on the right side, I would move districts to the top because those are the ones you're probably going to use the most. So drag the fields that you want to the top. Next time you open it, they'll be there. And then you open a field by clicking on the arrow. So I've opened polling location. Be careful because the polling location is only for election day. We really want voters to enroll in vote by mail, which they can do at lee.vote, or we want them to vote early, and the early voting locations will be on our website and on lee.vote. So discourage them from doing it on election day, but that is the polling location for election day. If you open districts, you can see all their districts. I would encourage you to write them down for the voter and then send them to our candidate information page, and they can go ahead and get some information on the candidates in their districts. You can add new emails. If they look at the email and say, oh, this is out of date, you can have them add a new one and save it. You can also add new phone numbers and save them. And you can change the preferred phone number by clicking on those three dots. So you can move another phone number to the top. There's a lot of other things you can do, but these are the most useful things. So what I suggest you do is look yourself up and see what information is stored in VAN, become familiar with the different fields, but these are the ones you're going to be using the most when you're in the front office. Please contact any of us if you have any questions.